How to sign in to Line. Already have a Line account and want to sign in on a new phone or device? Here's how to sign in to Line quickly. First, launch the Line app on your phone and you will see login and sign up right here. Tap on login, or you can just go back and tap on sign up right here, and just you can sign up, continue with Apple. Now just enter your name and enter your password. Tap and continue again, and you will be logged into your profile like this. Make sure you have enabled email login and backup options before switching devices. And that's how to sign into your Line account on any device anytime. If this helped, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.